Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never felt the love like this. I never felt like this before. Felt like this before. Felt the love like this. Never this before. Like this before.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Myfirstwig. Shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking, the name is SPE005 and the order number is Q092. The texture of this wig is silky and it is 16 inches long and it's a natural hair color, and I have it in cap size 2, which is 22.5 to 23. The cap construction of this wig is a 13 by 6 lace front wig and the density is 160%. Alright, so y'all, with this wig, I did not have to tweeze it whatsoever. This hairline, the way this hairline is hairlining, it woke up like this, honey. I didn't touch, oh girl, okay? I didn't tweeze it, I didn't bleach it. How you see this unit, for the most part, is exactly how it woke up, okay? Other than me curling the front a little bit, that's it. And me adding my powder to my part. I didn't do anything else to this wig. So, I love that for me. God, my house seems so echoey. It's so echoey in here. Okay, as far as shedding and tangling, I have not noticed any so far straight out of the packaging, but that's not to say, oh girl won't do it at some point. Just straight out of the packaging, she is not. As far as this unit being big head friendly, I feel like this wig is big head friendly. I think you can make it work because it does have that elastic band, and you know, you can adjust it accordingly. But in my opinion, the unit is big head friendly, but I am an average cap size, so honey, do with that what you want to do with that, okay? And I want you guys to just kind of get into this hairline, because honey, the hairline is hairlining, okay? Okay, y'all, so skirt. I did mention that the hairline was hairlining, but I didn't talk about the lace. So this lace that they have, and why the hairline is hairlining, is because they have this new air lace, and it's soft and breathable. It mimics scalps and edges, giving a more natural look. So I want to go ahead and throw that out there because I didn't mention it in the video. So, okay, y'all, continue on. Okay, the hairline is hairlining. All right, so yeah, and I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you know I like to end on a high note. My con is gonna be the same con that I tell all you guys about most luxury wigs. Now, it is a 13x6, but over here on the sides, you don't have a lot of parting space. Now, starting here, you can go very far back. As you guys can see, that part is honey. That part is parting, okay? Just like this hairline is hairline. But on the sides, there's not like a lot of space. And I showed you guys at the beginning when I took the unit out, and you can kind of see underneath it, you know, like how much parting space you will have. So that is gonna be my con with this unit. Y'all ever had one of them days where you like, you know what, this is not gonna be my day, so I'm just gonna go home and get in the bed and start it over tomorrow. That's the kind of day I'm having, okay? So bear with me. Now, my pros with this wig are endless. Like, I love the hairline. I love that it came pre-bleached. I love that it came pre-curled. I love the style of it. I think it is the perfect everyday unit, and I think it's an everyday unit that can also be more than an everyday unit. I think you can dress it up however you want to, and I love a unit that's like that. I just do. So those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would obviously recommend this wig. Obviously, y'all, I'm going on and on and on and on about it. Yes, I would, for the reasons that I stated for my pros. Like, and it's also a good beginner friendly frontal. So yeah, I would recommend it, definitely. Y'all, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up and I can go hide in my bed because I'm having one of them days, girl. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. Feel free to sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me yet another gorgeous unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok, from Health to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style and we